Hey guys, I'm gonna give you a quick overview of how exactly Wild Quiz AI works and how you can generate tons of videos, quiz videos by using this powerful software. So you go inside here, the create a campaign option, and you'll be provided with two options. Option one is that is AI powered, and the option two is the manual. So if you already have predefined questions, you can go with the manual option. But right now for the demo purpose, I'm gonna use the AI powered because maximum of you want to know how exactly the AI's works in this software. So I'm going to go ahead with the AI powered option, and then I select, and we have predefined quiz categories. You can select any of these quiz categories. So, and if you already have a quiz category in your mind or the topic that you want to use, then you can go ahead with the custom option. But if you want to go ahead with the popular categories, you can select any of these categories. So right now for demo purpose, I'm selecting any of these categories. Let's say I want to go ahead with the food and drink. Then I selected the food and drink campaign, and I'll call this food and drink test. And if you want to generate multiple videos, you can select this option. If you don't want to generate multiple videos, you can keep it off. And let's say for you, for example, you want to generate a video with 3 to 5 questions, 10 questions, 15 questions, totally up to you. Like, so right now for the demo purpose, I'm keeping it 3. Then the number of you can select the number of templates. So basically this is going to generate set of questions, and we can select either of the set. So right now, for example, I want to select let's say 3 set of questions I want to generate, and then I can pick any of those set of questions. So right now let's keep it 3, then select the number of questions, select the question type. And here you can select the ABC, that is a multiple choice question, or this or that question. It's totally up to you, like what kind of quiz video you want to create. So let's say I want to generate MCQ type, and then I can select the difficulty level. Let's say I want to go ahead with the easy, very easy. So there are like 5 different categories. We can go ahead with easy, and based on your audience, you can select different difficulty levels, and then you can select the language. We support so many languages here. You can generate quiz videos in any of these languages, but right now, let's say we want to go ahead with the English, and we hit the generate button, and it is going to take us it's going to generate the quiz questions in the selected category and based on our inputs. Now you see, since we selected 3 quiz templates, we have 3 set of questions, and we can go through all these questions one by one, and we can select any of the templates. Like, let's say for example, you like this particular template, you select this template. You like this template, you can select that template. Totally up to you. So for demo purposes, let's say I selected this template, but if you don't like the question, you can always hit the regenerate. You don't have to go back and regenerate the whole thing. You can simply hit the regenerate from here, and the new set of questions will appear. Okay, so right now for demo purposes, I'm keeping the template number 1, and then I hit the next button, and now we are presented with these beautiful templates. We have desktop version templates, and we have mobile version templates. So first I'm going to give you a preview of desktop version templates. You can see how this particular video template looks like. Sorry. You see, it's a beautiful template. Then another one. There are so many beautiful templates here. Wow. You see how beautiful these templates are. Wow. You have so many options, guys. You can explore you can create videos in any of these templates. It's an amazing software. So you can explore all this, the complete library. You can check out all these templates. And right now, let's say if you want to create video in mobile version, so we can explore the mobile templates. One second. Yeah, we can preview the mobile video templates here. There are beautiful templates designed for all your quiz video needs. Wow, I really like these templates. Wow. So guys, you can select any of these templates, whichever template you like, you can go ahead with that. So let's say, for example, I want to go ahead with, let's say this template, and then I hit the next button. And what it is going to do, it is going to load all those questions that we have generated in the previous steps directly inside the video editor. You see, our questions are imported along with the options and all the things that are required to be inside the editor. Now we can preview this. See, our questions are at the right place. Now we can do all the changes that we want. We can make small changes that we require. For example, I want to change the text font. So I can go here inside the text editor and I can select the font. I can make any of the fonts that I want. And all I have to do is hit the apply button. So right now I want to keep it Poppins. I really like this font. And then I can change the color of the fonts, the text. It's really easy to do this. Very easy. It's totally in your control how you want to go ahead with this editing. See, it's beautiful. You can give any color you want. I'll keep this like more of this color, and yeah, so that's it. It's a really simple to use software. You just have to make all the changes that you want. You have full control over everything that you want to do. So once your content is defined, you can make the text editing changes. If you want to add your own text, you can do that directly from here. You can add the text. Let's say you want to add your branding, or you want to add something like, you know, your website link. And you can put that directly here for your branding, or you can enter your YouTube channel. And if you want to add your logo, you can do all those things. So let me walk you through one by one. First thing is you can upload your own videos. If you don't like these videos, if you already have something in your mind, you can upload that video from here. If you can add the background music, we have a background music library. You can add the background music directly from here. And you can add the images. So if you already have an image in your mind, you can upload it from here. If you want to generate an AI image, you can directly generate it from here. And let's say I want to generate AI image on this thing. And then I can select the resolution, the art style, and you know, the mood of the content and the quality of the image. And then I hit the generate image with the AI, and it is going to generate us an image for guacamole, right? And you see, we have the first image ready right here. What we can do, we can expand, we can decide the color, we can decide we can, you know, have full control of the image generation. We can decide the size of this image. We can reduce the size, we can increase the size, we can adjust it as per our requirements. So let's say I want to keep it here, and if I want to add some more elements, I can go inside the element option and I can add the elements like this. We have loaded the whole thing with so many elements. Okay, or maybe I should put it here, like visit my website or visit my YouTube channel, something like this. And yeah, that's there. Now let me tell you, we have so many elements here. You can add emojis, you can add all these subscribe now button, all of those things, bell icons and everything. So you can make your video more engaging, more interesting. And apart from elements, we have option for the text. Like I told you, you can add your text. We have the text editor, we have the voiceover. So here you can generate the voiceover for your questions. So let's say I want to generate a voiceover for my first question. I select the question and I select the voiceover artist, let's say Gregory, and then I hit the generate speech with AI option, and it is going to generate me the voiceover for this thing. Now let me play this.
What is the primary ingredient in guacamole? Options are avocado, tomato, lettuce. The correct answer is avocado.
See?
What is the primary?
And similarly, you can generate the voiceover for other questions as well. You can simply select the question and hit the generate, and it's going to generate the voiceover for that particular question. Now, let me give you one more important feature option, that is animation. So let's say you want to create some animation for this image. You can go inside the animation option and you can select any of these animation options. Let's say I want to keep add breathing, that is going to give you it some motion. So I selected add breathing option here. Now I can go back here and I can play the video, and I'm going to see how exactly this thing is going to appear. See, it is giving it some motion. And let me go back here. We had the voiceover, but I forgot to add. Now I added the voiceover. I can see the voiceover directly here. I can increase the volume for that voiceover. And if I want, I can preview it here.
What is the primary ingredient in guacamole? Options are avocado, tomato, lettuce. The correct answer is avocado. What is the primary ingredient?
Sorry. Yeah, so that's how our voiceover is generated, animation is added. And if you don't like any of these things, you can select that particular question. You want to go ahead, check the question number 2. You can directly go from here and you can select the question number 2. You can go in the timeline on question number 2 and you can see the question number 2. Similarly, you can check the question number 3 and you can generate the images for relevant questions accordingly. You can adjust the timelines for all these things, like all these elements. And you can do so many things right inside this editor, and yeah, that's how it's done. So once this is like all your editing changes are done, all you have to do is you can preview it before exporting, and I would recommend to save your content, save whatever you have created so far, save the progress, and then you go to the export option and you hit the export button and it's going to start rendering the video. Once the video rendering is done, you're going to get this pop-up, and then you can proceed to the download. Okay, and you see your video is exported, and then you can preview it from here and you can download the video directly from here, and your video will get downloaded and then you can preview the video. It's really simple. And if you want to check, you can go to the view campaign and you can check your campaign, that is food drink test. And if you want to make any changes, further changes, you go back here inside the editor and it is going to take you inside the editor and you can make all the changes, corrections you want. And if you want to duplicate and want to create a different variation of the video, you can select the duplicate campaign. And if you want to preview this, you can directly go here and preview your video. See? Yeah. So it's a really simple to use software, and I hope this clarifies how exactly you can use the software. And similarly, you can create the videos in the mobile, in the desktop category as well.